Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about 3 different furniture ideas for this living room, and I want you guys to help me decide which layout is suitable and will look best in this living space. But before we start, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and might as well click the bell icon below so you won't miss every time I upload a new video. I know that the right furniture layout can really make or break a room, but that all depends on how you are going to use that space. Is the room meant for family entertaining or for kids to play in? Or do you prefer to host large groups at a time or just small gatherings? So yeah, this is all depends on personal preferences. Before we start, the first thing you guys need to know is the size and the dimensions of this room. It is important to know the space you're gonna be working on, so then you can choose from the layouts that I'll be showing you in a bit. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's a lot going on in this room. There's this entrance area which I highlighted in red. There are stairs on one side of the wall. There's this large window here which is actually good because the space is small and lights help the space looks bigger. And then there is this main focal point of the room, which is this main wall. It has got a really beautiful wallpaper on it. The area which I highlighted in yellow is the space we're gonna be using for this sofa layout. Okay, now let me show you guys the sofas. By far the most important category of a living room decor is the furniture. There's these 2 sofas which we're gonna be using in this space, a corner L shape which is good for small spaces, and then this is 3-seater sofa. So yeah, I think I have covered all the points which I wanted to share. So now I think we need to start with the sofa's layout. Okay, for the first layout we are going to be placing this L-shaped sofa in the corner and then the 3 seaters next to it, and that's the first option. And for the second layout, we're placing this L-shaped sofa on the left side in front of the stairs wall, and then the 3-seater opposite to it. And this is our second option. So for the third layout, we're going to be placing this 4-seater L-shaped sofa against the main wall and then 3-seater in front of it. And this is our third option. So now let me show you all the layouts one more time, and then you guys help me decide which is the best option for this living area. So, have you figured out already? What's the best option? Which layout should I choose? Comment your thoughts below. And in my next video, I'll show you guys how to make this room cozy and how to decorate this room. So don't forget to watch my next video. Okay, that is it from me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. See you guys in my next video. Bye!